canvas, if you please, a living breath upon the breeze. I'm not a stone that gathers moss, I'm every gain and every loss. Step inside the gallery of me, a masterpiece you've come to see. They say a stone should sit so still, but I'm a different kind of thrill. I'm rolling fast across the floor, a splashing wave against the door. I'm not a copy of a ghost, I'm the wine and I'm the host. Every muscle is a line of grace, written on this heavy space. I don't see a dark design, I just see this life of mine.
It's rolling piece of art.
A rolling piece of art. La-di-da, la-di-da, look at the sky, the satellite is passing by.
Transmission clear. Is it a man? Is it a machine?
Is it a man? Is it a machine? It's the grandest sight you've ever seen. It is an art to simply be in this wild anatomy. No blueprints here, no repeat takes, just the beauty of the breaks.